So its topic is known as cardiac output. What is the cardiac output? The maximum, the exerting pressure, the exerting volume of the blood. What is that? The exerting volume of the blood comes out of the heart. The maximum volume of the blood comes out of the heart. That is known as a cardiac output. The maximum volume of the blood comes out of the heart is known as a cardiac output. The maximum volume of the blood comes out of the heart is known as a cardiac output. So the cardiac output is the maximum volume. The volume, what is how much the volume is exerting, how much volume comes out from the heart. So the volume of the blood comes out of the heart. So that type of volume is known as a stroke volume. What is the stroke volume? How much the volume of the blood is exerting or comes out of the heart from the each contraction, that is known as a stroke volume. Stroke volume. The maximum of the blood comes out of the maximum of blood comes out from the, what is that, from the heart, nothing but each contraction of the maximum blood comes out of the ventricles for each contraction, so that contraction is known as a stroke volume. So the stroke volume, what is the stroke volume? The maximum blood comes out of the ventricle from the each ventricles contraction. So the stroke volume consistent of how many strokes per minute? 72 strokes per minute. How much the volume of the blood comes out of the heart or enters into the ventricles? From the 72 ml of the blood comes out of the ventricles from the each stroke, Right. Next, into the what is that? The stroke per minute. Stroke volume per minute. Nothing but the each stroke, the volume of the blood. This is known as the volume of the blood. How much? 72 ml of the volume of the blood from the each ventricle contraction. How many strokes per minute? 72 strokes per minute. Means 70 ml. 70 into 72, 5040 ml of the blood comes out of the heart. Approximately 5.4 liters. 5.4 liters of the blood comes out of the heart from the each ventricle's contraction. So that is known as a stroke volume. What is that? What is the stroke volume? The maximum blood comes out to the ventricles from the each contraction of the ventricles. That is known as the stroke volume. How much? The stroke volume is nothing but the volume of the blood and strokes per minute. The volume of the blood, how much per a stroke? 70 ml of the blood from the heart from the each stroke. 72 times per minute. The heart contracts 72 times per minute. That is, it leads into, that is known as 5.4 liter per every minute. So this is known as a cardiac output. Blood pressure. So next one. What is the blood pressure? The maximum volume of the blood is exerting from the blood vessels, or the maximum volume of the blood a forceful exerting from a particular unit area. Is that a maximum volume of the blood is exerting a particular unit area of the blood vessel is known as a blood pressure. The blood pressure. The blood pressure is known as a maximum. The maximum the forceful exerting pressure in a particular unit area of blood vessels, that is known as the blood pressure. The maximum forceful exerting pressure in particular unit area of the blood vessel is known as a blood pressure. So the blood pressure is indicates always here indicates BP. Terminology is known as it indicates in BP blood pressure. So the blood pressure, the maximum the blood pressure of the adult human being, nothing but healthy human beings, is 120/80. 120/80 is the normal blood pressure in adult human beings. So the 120 indicates a systolic pressure. 80 is a diastolic pressure. So the blood pressure is measured by one of the device, one of the instrument, that is known as a sphygmomanometer. So that is indicates, that is accurately determines the pressure of the blood vessels or pressure of the blood. Which one? The indicate, that is known as a device. The device known as a sphygmomanometer. So the device to be easy to wear, determination of the pressure of the blood in blood vessels. So that is known as the exerting pressure of the blood from the blood vessel is known as a BP or blood pressure. The healthy human beings are consistent of how much? 120/80. That is known as a 120 is a systolic pressure and 80 is a diastolic pressure. So the blood pressure we are denotes from the two ways. The blood pressure we are denotes from two ways. First one is known as systolic pressure. First one is very important, systolic pressure. What is the systolic pressure? What is that? The maximum exerting of blood from the blood from the blood vessels. Blood vessels are ventricles region. The maximum blood is exerting from the ventricles. Volume of the blood exerting or comes out with forceful comes out from ventricles, that is known as a systolic pressure. The systolic pressure is always 120. How much? 120. So that is known as systolic pressure. Second one is, we denotes the second one is diastolic pressure. Systolic. So the systolic pressure, the indicated sound is known as a lub. This is one of the producing of the one sound is known as a lub. The lub sound is known as a systolic sound. The diastolic pressure. Second one is diastolic pressure. What is the diastolic pressure? The exerting. What is that? The relaxation of both the auricles and ventricles. The relaxation of the both and auricles and ventricles. These are able to producing some kind of pressure is known as a diastolic pressure. What is that? The relaxation of ventricles are producing or exerting some kind of pressure is known as a diastolic pressure. So the diastolic pressure is EIT. So they are able to producing of sound is known as a dub. So which sound are they producing? The lub and dub. Lub sound and dub. The lub and dub both are called as a rhythmic. That is known as a rhythmic of the heart. It is known as a rhythmics of heart. Rhythmic of the heart. So the rhythmic of the heart, the rhythmic center is located in the parasympathetic nervous system. The rhythmic center is located in the parasympathetic nervous system. The rhythmic center of the heart is parasympathetic nervous system. So what is that? The blood pressure is, the systolic blood pressure is 120. Are you clear? The diastolic pressure is EIT. The healthy human is consistent of 120 by 80. The maximum systolic pressure is 120. More than 120, that is leads into high BP. More than 120, that is leads into high BP. The less systolic pressure is 90. Less systolic pressure is 90. The lesser than 90, it is leads into low BP, low blood pressure. The more than 120, it is known as a high blood pressure. The less than 90 is known as a low blood pressure. So the 120 is a systolic pressure minus 80 is a diastolic pressure is equal to 40. The 120 minus 80 is equal to 40. The 40 indicates what is that pulse rate. That is indicate the pulse rate of the individuals. That is known as a pulse rate. That is called as a pulse rate.